Welcome to Stockholm School of Economics, fantastic business school based here in Stockholm, Sweden. The school was founded in 1909. Since its foundation, we have always been very close to business and we have a strong relation with our corporate sponsors. The Executive MBA program, it's a program that's targeting senior leaders and high potentials. It's run part-time over 18 months. With the program, what we allow the students to do is to go deeper in a topic of their choice. So they can either choose to go deeper into financial management, so more the quantitative side of management, or they can go deeper into innovation and entrepreneurship. And there we really use this whole startup scene in Stockholm.
I'm a lawyer by training, and I've been doing management for several years, but I felt I was often reinventing the wheel when trying to solve problems. So I started looking into education. Where can I learn models and theories that help me in my work? And I found the SSE MBA program.
The SSE Executive MBA program is for professionals looking to build their leadership capacity. And as a nonprofit leader, for me it was very important to do this program and get the economic training that's needed to solve some of the toughest environmental challenges that we're facing in society today.
I remember when I signed up for a program and the faculty told me that you need to spend 20 hours a week on this. And I was like, yeah, I've done a very complicated master's program before, I'm probably not going to spend 20 hours a week. But in fact, you have to spend 20 hours a week. And that forces you to be very structured. And that's a very good thing with this program as well. It is a big challenge for you in terms of time, but you learn how to prioritize. And I think that's really one of the key takeaways from an MBA program like this.
One of the things that has changed me, I went into this doing entrepreneurship and then I realized that I really like finance. For me that's interesting that you still, you come in with something set in mind and then you change, and it's great to be able to do that.
I've been in the same industry for 12 years now, that's the power and gas industry. I've been kind of peeking at other industries and being kind of curious, should I move into something else? What I've learned is that their difficulties are pretty much the same difficulties as we have, and I'm not really sure anymore if I want to change the industry. I'm more than happy now to go back to my industry and say, what can I change in this? What can I take away from the different industries that I've looked into now? Is there anything I can do to change my industry to make it better?
Scandinavia is a great place to do an MBA program because it's really known for the innovation and entrepreneurship, or especially Stockholm, I would say, and this is why this program was really attractive for me. And also, I think abroad, Scandinavia is known for their corporate social responsibility, so to be here and to learn that in the MBA program is really great.
We think the sustainability is really important. And therefore we treat it not as a subject just to put on at the end or at the beginning as a separate module, but instead we have sustainability running as a red thread throughout the program.
SSE MBA executive formats is building on all these theories. It's an academic program, but we turn everything into practice, and we call it MBA Live.
MBA Live, that is something that we are very proud of. It's something that's unique to us. What we do is we have the students work with real business issues in either their own organization or another organization, and thereby applying and using the management concepts and tools that they have learned in the program.
What you don't expect is to get the wings. You will transform, you will do maybe something totally different. So you will get the confidence. The confidence when you talk to your client, when you talk to the chairman, to the CFO, to the CEO. So the next step, it's up to you.